So despite some price fluctuations, the price of Dogecoin has risen above 23 cents this week, indicating that there is still some upside. In this video, I'll talk about the price trend of Dogecoin and some fresh new data for it. Hello guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we move forward, I'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will make sure that you never miss our time-sensitive updates. Now, let's get started with today's video. The first thing is that even though Dogecoin rose above 23 cents yesterday, it still hasn't grown at the same rate as Shiba Inu. However, we saw that since trade began for the week, it has been steadily increasing. I think that it's difficult to anticipate where Doge will go in the coming months with 100% certainty. But if we consider the 30 days price correlation between Bitcoin and Dogecoin, we could conclude that it'll eventually follow Bitcoin's trajectory. Now, some technical analysts are pointing to a price spike. Recently, analyst Justin Bennett issued an optimistic assessment on Doge. According to his analysis, recent market patterns indicate that Dogecoin is on the verge of breaking out. He predicted that this rally would follow the growth pattern of past breakouts and would take place over the next few months. Another thing we have to consider is that Dogecoin has a huge community. A lot of retail investors have held onto their Doge in the anticipation of a better market, and this is one of the reasons Doge has now found support at 20 cents. The key resistance that Doge needs to break is 24 cents, which is also currently its 100-day moving average. Since it's still following Bitcoin's trajectory, I believe it could get there by the end of this week. Now, while we are talking about Dogecoin, we have to talk about something incredible that Elon did yesterday for it. On Thursday, we saw Elon Musk's Squid Game meme, which sent Dogecoin prices back to 24 cents after almost a week. So here's what happened. Billy Marcus posted a meme about the hit Netflix show to delightfully communicate his feelings about Dogecoin. He was implying that the community is still standing behind it, stopping it from falling below its crucial support. And then Elon Musk responded with laughing emoji. Now, while this may not sound like a big deal, I think it has some huge implications. The biggest one is that Elon still hasn't forgotten about Dogecoin. We could see many more tweets like this coming from him this month. I think he'll definitely post about it when the new Doge upgrade comes out. So, Billy Marcus is also pushing for Doge nodes to do their part. While sharing information on how to set up a Dogecoin node, he said that, "If you don't run a Dogecoin node, you are Satan." He further said that he wants to write something a little more sophisticated regarding Dogecoin nodes, as nodes are crucial and they keep the blockchain up to date, validate transactions, and keep the network moving. I think this push is definitely going to speed things up for this new update. We've already seen Michai Lumen unofficially announce that you can use the fee upgrade right now, and so I think it's just a matter of time. Moving on, another interesting news was that the Elite Doge Club is starting an NFT project with a collection of 100K artistic interpretations of the Dogecoin mascot. For those who don't know, the Elite Doge Club takes advantage of Dogecoin's growing popularity with the goal of converting Dogecoin's crypto boom into the NFT space. I also think that this development is just another example that shows that Doge is still very popular. While we are on the topic of NFT, the monster-fighting NFT game Axie Infinity has just surpassed NBA Top Shot and CryptoPunks in Q3 to become the most traded NFT collection ever. Now, Axie Infinity had a trading volume of $2.08 billion during the quarter, accounting for 83% of its historical market value. Also, the game brought approximately $800 million in revenue. The point is that Axie Infinity seems to have a promising run in the NFT space, and its altcoin is something you should definitely keep an eye on. Now moving forward, it has been reported that Shiba Inu is slated to be listed on BTC Turk, which is Turkey's largest and oldest cryptocurrency exchange. As per the official announcement on Thursday, users will be able to deposit and withdraw Shib tokens from October 15. Now, we already saw that over the last 2 months, Shiba has gained a lot of popularity on exchanges. Earlier this week, it launched on ZebPay, which is India's oldest crypto exchange. And in September, Coinbase added it to its network. With the rise in its popularity, Shiba Inu also became the most traded crypto on the largest American exchange in less than a month. The point is that things are looking really bullish for Shiba Inu. It's doing exactly what Doge was doing in its prime in May, so I think this is a really exciting time to be investing in cryptos like Shiba. Now, just like Shiba Inu has followed the footsteps of Dogecoin, another meme coin has started to make noticeable growth. I'm talking about Baby Dogecoin, which has landed on CoinGecko and has trended massively. Recently, the market cap and token supply of Baby Dogecoin have been verified by CoinGecko. On October 13, it was listed on the Binance Smart Chain, which resulted in a 35% increase in its price in one day, with a peak of 44%. And for nearly a week, Baby Doge has been on an upward trend, increasing 158% in that time. Personally, I'm a bit skeptical about it because it's just a Dogecoin knockoff at this point. In any case, I'd love to know if you think it has any upside potential or not. Now coming back to Bitcoin, Mike McGlone, the chief commodity strategist at Bloomberg, said that he believes that it can definitely reach the precious $100,000 mark. So McGlone stated that the main reasons that will allow Bitcoin to reach 100K are the U.S. challenging China in economics and the legalization of Bitcoin ETFs, as well as effective crypto regulation. We know that Bloomberg reported earlier today that the SEC is likely to approve the first Bitcoin futures ETF in the United States. And according to a Bloomberg article, this is an almost done deal because there does not appear to be any objection to the approval of the Bitcoin future ETF. So I think this is why a lot of people are really bullish on Bitcoin right now. Moving on, another great news was that Coinbase, the largest crypto exchange in the United States, has published a proposal for a new crypto regulatory framework on GitHub. I think it is a significant development since it may turn out to be a critical step for crypto's overall development. According to reports, Coinbase is requesting that everyone offer any improvements or suggestions for the creation of a federal crypto regulator and a self-regulating crypto organization. Coinbase's chief policy officer said that a new regulatory framework for digital assets will ensure that innovation can happen quickly. So I think that rather than having regulators from various businesses compete over which part of crypto they should carve out for themselves, Coinbase is proposing the idea of creating a new federal body to oversee the whole crypto economy. And I think this is going to be a huge catalyst for all cryptos in the near future. Now coming back to Doge, the biggest thing going on for it right now is the huge correlation with Bitcoin. I know that it stood at 0.9 just 15 days ago, and it has dropped a bit. But still, it's still more than 0.6 when it comes to the average of the last 30 days. So overall, I'm quite optimistic about where Dogecoin is headed from here. In any case, I'd love to know if it still has the upside potential or not. Let me know in the comments section below. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.